Nevada ranks first among U.S. states in gold and silver production. Industrial activity in Nevada is concentrated in the Las Vegas and Reno-Sparks areas. It manufactures machinery, engine spare parts, the cement industry, food industries, especially candy and ice cream, and the plastics industry in general. We will show in this video amazing mega construction projects in progress in Nevada. Before we get started, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Project Neon, 20 years in the making. Project Neon is the largest transportation and public works project in Nevada's history. This $990 million project addressed safety concerns along 3.7 miles of I-15, the state's busiest route and the only freeway connection to Southern California and Utah. Traffic on the freeway is expected to double by 2035, needed to meet that demand by constructing new high-occupancy vehicle lanes. Maintaining traffic flow during construction was critical to accommodate the 2 million Las Vegas residents and over 45 million visitors to the city each year. Along with its partners, NDOT held over 500 meetings with the community to keep them updated on the project's progress. With the completion of the new HOV lanes, the city of Las Vegas can meet the new traffic demands head-on, while also improving safety for all. The Gemini Project. The Gemini Project is a 690 MW divided by 966 MWDC solar array, coupled with a 1,416 MWH storage facility that will deliver power mostly to Nevada when complete. Gemini, sited on about 6,500 acres of federal land near Las Vegas, will include more than 1.8 million solar modules. The project is expected to create about 1,000 jobs during the construction phase, with completion expected in 2023. Gemini's size is rivaled by the Mammoth Solar project in Indiana. Affordable Housing Project. It is reviewing $2.5 billion in requests for projects seeking to address the state's affordable housing crisis, an amount that far exceeds the $500 million investment promised. Not all proposals met the needed criteria to move forward to a formal application process. Of the 234, 180 pre-applications have been approved and moved on to the second round, which is the full application process. It's a much more involved process with much more documentation required at that point. The division is expected to finish reviewing applications in August and award allocations in September. Projects were broken down into 4 categories to align with funding priorities: developing multifamily housing, preserving affordable housing, increasing homeownership and home rehabilitation, and land acquisition. Of the dedicated funding, $300 million was directed toward developing new housing units. Google Energy Project. Google is expanding its clean power commitment in Nevada, launching a first-of-its-kind, next-generation geothermal project, the company announced, will add carbon-free energy to the electric grid that serves Google's data centers and infrastructure throughout Nevada, including the company's cloud region in Las Vegas. This will connect to the grid, serving our Nevada data centers starting next year. Nevada has plentiful geothermal resources that provide continuous, renewable baseload power. Fervo will add firm geothermal energy to Nevada's electric grid system. The tech giant laid out an ambitious plan to operate on 24/7 carbon-free energy in all of its data centers and campuses worldwide by 2030. Advances renewable energy transmission projects. It has advanced 2 transmission projects proposed energy that would facilitate more renewable energy development and delivery in Nevada. The agency will start an environmental review for the GreenLink North project, which will span over 450 miles to connect Las Vegas to Reno, and release a draft environmental impact statement for the GreenLink West transmission project, which will cover 232 miles from Ely to Yerington. Once completed, the projects will connect 8 gigawatts of clean energy to the Western power grid. The plans would bolster the Biden administration's goal to deploy 25 gigawatts of renewable energy on public lands and waters by 2025 and achieve a carbon-free power sector by 2035. Michael Heiser's City, a vast complex of outdoor structures and land masses. The land artist Michael Heiser began constructing in the desert of Nevada in 1970. More than 50 years after work at the site began, marks the fulfillment of Heiser's most ambitious and career-defining project. City has been described as quite possibly the largest contemporary artwork on the planet, stretching more than 1.5 miles long and half a mile wide. The Mammoth Solar project in Indiana, a 2-phase installation that when complete is expected to have 700 MW of generation capacity. The first 400 MW phase of Mammoth is expected to come online in 2023, with a 300 MW second phase scheduled to enter commercial operation the following year. The installation is sited across about 13,000 acres in Stark and Pulaski counties in Indiana, about 50 miles southwest of South Bend. Doral is building the solar farm as part of an agreement with Ohio-based American Electric Power. Which of these projects do you think would be the best in Nevada? Are there projects we did not mention? Write it in the comments and share your opinion with us. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.